Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the top 5 must-see attractions in Germany, from historic castles to vibrant cities and breathtaking natural landscapes. Germany offers a rich tapestry of experiences. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a culture enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into the best and most unforgettable spots this amazing country has to offer. First on our list is the enchanting Neuschwanstein Castle, nestled in the idyllic Bavarian Alps. This fairy tale castle is a masterpiece of romantic architecture. Commissioned by the reclusive King Ludwig II in the 19th century, it was designed to evoke the grandeur of a medieval knight's castle. Neuschwanstein Castle famously inspired Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle, and it's easy to see why. The castle offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and lush valleys. Inside, you'll find opulent rooms adorned with intricate details and lavish decorations, each telling a story of its own. A visit here is like stepping into a dream, making it an essential destination for history buffs, architecture enthusiasts, and romantics alike. This castle doesn't just transport you to another era, it immerses you in a world of fantasy and grandeur, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. Next, we have the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin. This iconic landmark, built in the late 18th century, symbolizes German unity and history. It once marked the division between East and West Berlin during the Cold War. Today, it stands as a powerful reminder of peace and reunification. It's a perfect spot for photography and a starting point for exploring Berlin's rich cultural heritage. Don't miss the chance to witness this monumental piece of history up close. It's truly awe-inspiring. Our third attraction is the enchanting Black Forest. Renowned for its dense, mysterious woods that seem to whisper ancient secrets, and its charming villages that look like they've been plucked straight out of a fairy tale, this region is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Visitors can revel in a variety of outdoor activities such as hiking through scenic trails that wind through lush green landscapes and biking along picturesque routes that offer breathtaking views at every turn. The Black Forest is also home to stunning waterfalls and serene lakes that add to its natural allure. Additionally, the Black Forest offers a unique opportunity to immerse oneself in traditional German culture with its quaint villages, vibrant local festivals, and historic architecture that tells stories of a bygone era. Whether you're seeking the thrill of adventure or the peace of tranquility, the Black Forest promises an unforgettable experience for everyone. No trip to Germany is complete without experiencing Oktoberfest in Munich. This world-famous beer festival is held annually and features traditional Bavarian music, food, and of course plenty of beer. The atmosphere is electric, with lively parades, colorful costumes, and joyous singing filling the air. It's a celebration of Bavarian culture that brings people together from all over the world to share in the fun and camaraderie. Last but not least, we arrive at the awe-inspiring Cologne Cathedral. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not just a building, it's a true masterpiece of Gothic architecture, with its towering spires reaching towards the heavens, symbolizing humanity's eternal quest for the divine. The cathedral's interior is adorned with breathtaking stained glass windows that cast a kaleidoscope of colors across the ancient stone floors, creating an almost otherworldly atmosphere. Climbing the towers offers not only a sense of achievement but also stunning panoramic views of the city of Cologne, making you feel on top of the world. It's a spiritual and cultural highlight of Germany, drawing millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at its grandeur, historical significance, and the profound sense of peace and reverence it inspires. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below with your favorite destination or any travel questions you have. Follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes content and daily travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!